Practically every animal on the planet has been given its own boring name. But there are also a lot of animals with weird and even funny names. Whether it's their Latin or common name, it's hard to not laugh at some of these. Sometimes these names are descriptive of the animal's appearance or behavior, while other names are just plain funny. Ranging from the screaming hairy armadillo to the red-lipped batfish. Let's go and find out some of the most imaginatively named animals. Wonderpus photogenicus. Wonderpus photogenicus is the scientific name for the Wonderpus octopus, which alludes to its appearance. Wonderpus is the combination of the German word wonder, meaning wonder or miracle, and the English octopus. Photogenicus refers to its photogenic nature. Screaming hairy armadillo. The screaming hairy armadillo is far hairier than most other armadillo species. The screaming part refers to its tendency to loudly squeal when threatened by predators. Pleasing fungus beetle. There are over 2,000 different species of the pleasing fungus beetle. They are named after their habit of feeding on fungus, and some have gained notoriety as significant pests. Spiny lumpsucker. Members of the Cyclopteridae family are known as lumpsuckers because of their spherical shape. The sucker part refers to the modified pelvic fins that act as adhesive discs, so they can stick onto rocks. Satanic leaf-tailed gecko. Found only on the island of Madagascar, the satanic leaf-tailed gecko has a flattened tail that really does look like a leaf. The satanic part may derive from the unsettling nature of its strange appearance. Fried egg jellyfish. The fried egg jellyfish gets its name from a strong resemblance to a fried egg served sunny side up. They live in the Mediterranean Sea and the Pacific Ocean off the coast of British Columbia. Tasseled wobbegong. The tasseled wobbegong is a species of the carpet shark. Its most defining feature is the fringe of dermal lobes that surrounds its head, which resembles tassels. The word wobbegong is an Australian Aboriginal term that translates to shaggy beard. Red-lipped batfish. One of the strangest looking fish in the sea, it has bright red lips and pectoral fins that resemble bat wings. Living around the Galapagos Islands, some scientists believe their lips allow them to better identify each other during spawning. Chicken turtle. Living in the southeastern U.S., the chicken turtle used to be a popular source of meat. It supposedly tasted like chicken, which led to its name. Leafy sea dragon. The leafy sea dragon is known for its close resemblance to the mythical serpentine dragons. It can be found along the southern coast of Australia. Blue-footed booby. Known for their bright blue feet and amusing dance rituals, this large seabird is found in the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. Hellbender. The hellbender is the largest amphibian in North America, growing up to 29 inches (73 centimeters). Its name comes from its incredible size and strange appearance. Star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole gets its name from its bizarre-looking nose. Since the star-nosed mole is blind, it relies on its unusual nose to locate food. Star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole gets its name from its bizarre-looking nose. Since the star-nosed mole is blind, it relies on its unusual nose to locate food. Frilled-necked lizard. Found in Australia and New Guinea, the frilled-necked lizard is named after the large frill around its neck. It usually spreads out its frills as a form of defense. Strange-tailed tyrant. It's relatively straightforward as to why this bird is called strange-tailed. The tyrant part comes from its bird family, Tyrannus. Angora rabbit. Well known in the textile industry, the wool of the Angora goat is used to manufacture mohair, while cashmere is derived from the cashmere goat. Due to its furry look, this rabbit was named after the goat. Shoebill. The shoebill is a large wading bird, found in tropical East Africa. They're known for their long, curved beaks and their distinctive call. Sarcastic fringehead. While this fish may not necessarily be sarcastic in the human sense, it does have an unpleasant disposition. It's known to open its large, colorful mouth unusually wide. Ii. Native to Madagascar, the ii is a nocturnal, arboreal primate. Their name comes from their distinctive call, which sounds like ii. Blobfish. Found in the deep sea off the Australian coast, blobfish are known for their strange, jelly-like bodies and sad expressions. Their flesh is mostly composed of a gel-like substance that helps them float. Tufted titmouse. The tufted titmouse isn't a mouse, but rather a small songbird. Found in North America, they're known for their distinctive call, which sounds like tufted tit. Gorilla gorilla gorilla. That's right, the scientific name for the western lowland gorilla is gorilla gorilla gorilla. You'll never forget that name. Common cockchafer. The common cockchafer is a type of flying beetle found in Europe and North America. They're also referred to as May or June bugs, depending on when they're most active. Boops boops. The boops boops is a species of sea-bream fish native to the eastern Atlantic Ocean, the Mediterranean, and Black Sea. Known for their large eyes, the name comes from the ancient Greek word for cow eye. Mountain chicken. The mountain chicken is indeed a frog. The critically endangered species is found in the Caribbean, and it's the largest frog in the region. Once hunted for food, the mountain chicken is now protected by law. Striped pajama squid. The striped pajama squid requires no explanation. Native to the Indo-Pacific Oceans of Australia, this species is also known for its mild poison. Dik-dik. Found in the savannas of Africa, the dik-dik is a small antelope. They're known for their long, slender legs, and their distinctive call, which sounds like dik-dik. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more information.